Hi, Kapamilya. I'm Ginger Conejero, back with more headlines from BA. Just in time for Thanksgiving, and millions of Americans are bracing for some wicked weather. Thanksgiving travelers in the Midwest are in for dangerous conditions. A storm packing heavy snow and high winds are barreling through Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska, leaving at least one person dead. It was expected to march eastward into South Dakota, Iowa, Michigan, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Meanwhile, in the Northwest, a bomb cyclone weather phenomenon swept across Oregon, blocking roads and forcing drivers to install chains on their tires. According to the American Automobile Association, some 55 million travelers plan to fly or drive at least 50 miles from their homes for the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday, although the wicked weather could likely change plans for many. Led by Commission on Filipinos Overseas Secretary Francisco Nick Acosta, Philippine government officials met with members of the Los Angeles Filipino community, including the Filipino Workers Center, or PWC, which has been focused on assisting victims of labor and human trafficking. While the PWC talked about their concerns to Secretary Acosta, they also introduced him and his delegation to Nanay Fidelina, who survived decades of enslavement by her Filipino employers. The 83-year-old domestic worker was freed last year after being kept as a modern-day slave for over 60 years. Nanay Fidelina shared her story with Secretary Acosta and his team, whose mission is to protect migrant rights. Meanwhile, as the story of Nanay Fidelina's ordeal reaches the community, her only surviving sibling reached out to the PWC. The PWC managed to track down and verify the sister of Nanay Fidelina, and after 40 long years, they came face to face via video chat. Nanay Fidelina's sister has requested to stay private. The Tacloban Lady native has not been in contact with any family member since her trafficker brought her to the United States in the 1970s.
Kung hindi nila hinanap, hindi ko alam na may kapatid pa akong buhay. Nang makita ko yung kapatid ko, tuwan-tuwa ako.
And that's it for our news breaks today, but you can stay connected to news that matters most. Just follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to our BA YouTube channel. I'm Ginger Conejero. See you next time.